Hello, I wanted to show my build in my A50 Max case with the Geeek case builders. So it fits the 3070 Founders Edition in here. On this side, takes up the whole thing. Oh, and I had to get a extension cable here, so it mounts sideways like that. And here's the back. Has a decent amount of room in here for an extra card. So like a 3-slot design, but this one's only 2, so got extra space. And then up top I have 2 fans to pull out the hot air. That seems to work pretty well. You can see the top of the case. Got 2 sticks of RAM in there, so 16 gigs. And then my SFX power supply. And on this side, we got the CPU cooler. So I have the Ryzen 5800X 3D in here. It gets a little hot during stress testing, but during games it stays pretty cool. Yeah, and it's a great gaming PC with the CPU and graphics card. And then it also has space for 2 laptop size hard drives or SSDs in here, which is pretty good.